A tumor alone rarely kills. The real danger begins the moment a single cell decides to leave home. Last episode, we saw how normal cells turn cancerous. Today, they go further. This is metastasis, the spread of cancer cells from their original site to distant organs in the body. Over 90% of cancer deaths are caused by metastasis, not the primary tumor. Inside the primary tumor, most cells stay put, but a few grow restless, changing shape, slowly changing behavior. They begin losing E-cadherin, the molecular glue that once bound them tightly to their normal neighbors. One by one, the bonds break. The cell is free to move. Next lies the basement membrane, a thin protein barrier separating the tumor from surrounding healthy tissue. The cancer cell releases enzymes called MMPs, dissolving this barrier molecule by molecule. Like a soldier cutting through enemy lines, it pushes forward into open tissue. Ahead lies its target, a blood vessel, the highway that could carry it anywhere. The cell squeezes between endothelial cells lining the vessel wall, slipping quietly into the bloodstream. But the bloodstream is hostile. Shear forces and immune cells hunt anything that doesn't belong. Most circulating tumor cells die within hours. A rare few evade natural killer cells and survive. Platelets gather around the cell, forming a protective cloak that hides it from attack. Wrapped in this shield, it travels through arteries, capillaries, and narrowing vessels. Eventually, it lodges, trapped in a narrow capillary. Now it must escape again, squeezing through the vessel wall into unfamiliar new territory. It has arrived in a foreign organ, lungs, liver, bone, or brain. Scientists call this the seed and soil theory. Most seeds land on soil that cannot support them, but occasionally the soil is right. The cell survives, adapts, and begins to divide. It builds a new colony, recruiting blood vessels to feed itself. A secondary tumor is born. Depending on the cancer, these colonies most often form in the lungs, liver, bones, or brain. This is why metastasis is so hard to stop. Cells can hide dormant for years before waking. Researchers now track these wandering cells with liquid biopsies and train the immune system to find them first. Immunotherapy and targeted drugs are turning this once silent spread into something we can see and fight. Cancer doesn't need to conquer a body all at once. It only needs one cell to leave. Next episode, discover how your body fights back against cancer.